Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and today's question is all hydrophobic amino acids, valine, leucine, isoleucine, and so on, share which of the following properties? And you have to choose one of these answers. So here is the valine, and here is the leucine, and here is the isoleucine. Let's take a look at them. Here is the backbone, which is the same in each amino acid, and here is the R group or R chain, which is going to be different in each amino acid. Let's take a closer look at R chain of each amino acid, and what is interesting that in each R chain or R group we can find only carbons and hydrogens. Only carbons and hydrogens here, only carbon and hydrogens here. All amino acids, not only these three, which has only hydrocarbons in the R group, are going to be non-polar and uncharged. Among these amino acids, glycine, alanine, and proline are going to be non-essential, and valine, leucine, isoleucine, and phenylalanine are going to be essential. How to memorize which are essential and which are not? Take a look. For example, glycine is the only amino acid that in its R chain doesn't have carbon. Instead, it has only hydrogen. And alpha carbon here is going to be the only alpha carbon that is going to be non-chiral. So this is how we set it apart from the rest, and we can memorize that this is not essential. Again, this is just mnemonic technique and not scientific method. And as for the alanine, I have funny mnemonic technique for you. You probably know that cows are main producers of such gas as methane. And here's the formula of methane gas. And if you take a look at its R chain or R group, this amino acid has methyl, and methyl is derivative of the methane. So cows fart with methane, and we don't like it, so we don't need this amino acid, so it's not essential. And as for the proline, actually this is not an amino acid, but actually it is amino acid. Take a look. For example, all the rest amino acid has amino group here, but this amino acid we call amino acid, but actually it is amino acid because it has amino group here. So again, we set it apart from the rest, and all the rest amino acids that has only hydrocarbons in R group would be essential. So I hope this technique would help you to memorize which amino acid that has only hydrocarbons in the R group would be essential and which are not. Again, I want to repeat that all these amino acids are going to be uncharged, going to be hydrophobic, and going to be non-polar. Our question: all hydrophobic amino acids, valine, leucine, isoleucine, share which of the following properties? And now you can choose the answer, which is going to be answer B. All R groups are going to be uncharged and non-polar. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.